In this video, I'm going to show how I installed Fire Sticks in our Tiffin Allegro 33AA Red to operate the TVs inside the RV and the one outside. What I did, I installed Fire Sticks, 2 of them, in the bedroom in the media center. I installed a Fire Stick where the satellite receiver controller used to be for the Dish Direct Network, whichever one you had. Got rid of it and installed a female to female adapter so I could hook the Fire Stick to the HDMI cable. And I did the same thing for the Blu-ray. Disconnected the cable from the back of the Blu-ray, used the female to female adapter, hooked up the Fire Stick, and there is a switch in here that must be turned on for the TVs to operate. The Fire Stick is plugged up. The top one is here and the bottom one is here, and this is how we did it. The TVs will operate separately. I've got the bedroom and the living room on one, and the front TV and the outside TV on one of the Fire Sticks. And I've already got the Starlink powered up outside. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the remote for the Fire Stick to turn the TV on. And as you see, this is Amazon Fire Stick. It's already installed. We use YouTube to watch TV and videos. We never watch ABC, CBS, NBC, none of that. We always watch YouTube. We find it more enjoyable. So here we go. And here we are. It's on. There are some steps that you must go through before you can get the Fire Stick to work, and I'm going to show that now. It takes a little time and it's aggravating, but it's the only way you can get the Fire Stick to work. You're going to have to install your Fire Stick and go through the procedures that Amazon has set up to install the Fire Stick. But first you must install your internet, your Starlink onto the TV for it to work. You will need the remote that came with the TV to do this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go home, hit the home button, and we're going to slide over. You'll have to set up the input, which I'm going to show you here. I set this one up for the DVD, and the TV up front is set up for the Blu-ray. So now we'll go home again on the remote, on the TV remote, and we're going to slide over to settings. You'll have to go to network. Whoops, keeps wanting to mess me up here. Go to settings, then go down to network. I'm already set up, but if it wasn't set up, you would have to put in your network, everything for your Fire Stick. Then after all that's completed, you want to do what's called network status. Run the network status. Then you can go back home Go back to your Fire Stick. And we'll turn this off. Turn it back on. And let's see if it goes to it or not. I'm wanting to change the TVs out to make this a little more simple, get me an updated smart TV. But there it is. Sometimes you have to turn the TV on and off a couple of times before it'll work. But if you have any questions, feel free to message me, leave a comment, and I will read the comments. And if you liked this video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. And I would greatly appreciate you watching this video. And thanks again. Hopefully this helped out. In the network settings, you put your password for your internet or your Starlink password.